What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is the 10th of July. We're taking a look here. XRP / the United States dollar. This is a daily chart, and the data is from Bitstamp here. We have some breakout taking place here for XRP. If we zoom in here, we have the markets moving higher. We're above the 50-day moving average. We are also above the 200-day moving average. We're cooling off a little bit here this morning. Currently, the market is only up 1.71%. We have some targets we're going to talk about here in just a moment. We have a confirmation Bitcoin breakout yesterday. Bitcoin is basically flat here this morning, down $100. We'll keep an eye on that. We got into a nice long futures position yesterday, as well as a ETF position yesterday, all related to Bitcoin. And we have, let's see here, 4 targets to talk about to the upside, four new targets to the upside for Ripple XRP. Number one will be our 281. So $2.81 is our first target, and they move up from there. So that's our lowest first target for this breakout, for this move higher, $2.81. So from where we're currently trading at, 244. It's roughly like a 14% move to the upside. Doesn't take us into new all-time highs, but it gets us up there about 14%. Target number 2, which is new as well, is $3.18 right here. 318, again, not into new all-time highs, but a very nice move. Let's take a look and see where that would put us for XRP. About 29% move to the upside. Not too bad, guys. Not too bad. Real quick, if you're interested in following, we have, I believe it's 8 products that we have been sharing trading signals for on YouTube. Palantir, Tesla, Grayscale, Bitcoin Trust, SPY, GLD, SoFi, NVIDIA, SPXL. You can find them. There's also a link down below, but it's called the Trading Zone. So if you wanted to join that, there is a membership link down below, videos, as well as I can email a spreadsheet over if you're interested in having that outside of the membership videos. So there's a link down there if you're interested in that. So 281, 318. Next target, guys, which does take us into new all-time highs, is $3.71. That would be nice if it happens. 371 is the next move to the upside. Let's see where that takes us here. From a percentage standpoint, about 50, let's call it 50% to the upside. 371 XRP. We have the, I should say it's nice to see the price back above both of the moving averages, 50 and 200-day in red there. Next target, guys, well into new all-time highs, of course, $4.55. Way up here. That's all the new targets are listed in blue. So 281, 318, 371, and then 455 way up here. I think, assuming this thing breaks all-time highs, I do think we'll take off like a rocket up to that level. But we got to get past the all-time highs and some of the other resistance levels, which are 281 and 318. Let's see here. So from where we're currently trading up to $4.55, about an 86% move to the upside. So $4.50. These are all new targets. These are the highest targets I have right now that are at least the most up to date. Now, I do have higher targets. You can see on the screen, 475, 497, 617, 11. Those, not that they're not valid, they're very valid, but they're just not up to date. So this is what I'm looking for. For starters, 281, 318, 371, 455. And I hope they all come into play here for XRP. let's take a zoom out here and see what is happening here. This was a long, very long time within this pennant pattern here and exploded to the upside. Let's see what that move was. Let's take a look here. Let's take it from the top of the pennant pattern here to the highs of the move. So yeah, 380, 390% move. The initial pump was about 318 roughly or so percent. Let's take it from where we're at now. Let's go up, call it like 318 or 315 from where we're currently at. That's going to take us up there. $10, basically right around $10 if we did a similar few 100% move from where we're currently at. So $10 XRP, will it happen? Just based off of that. Again, I have a target up there at 11, but I'm really looking for that, 455 or so. But hey, I will take $10 if it happens. We need Bitcoin to start to move to the upside, and we have some confirmation from yesterday. Let's take a look at that. So Bitcoin did break out into new all-time highs. Today we're sitting quiet. See that a lot, and you'll see that a lot. Markets will break out, then they'll cool off. They might pull back, and then they'll continue to the upside. First target 116, and then 130,000. I have to run some new numbers here, but these are valid. 116, and then 130,000. We are currently below all-time highs here. We're sitting very, very quiet, and hopefully we get some action, some follow through here sooner rather than later. Guys, links are down below, of course. Not financial advice. You guys have a great day. Thanks for watching.